Hey guys, Kurt here, and guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the brand new Hijax software from rutecky and Mike from Maine. And guys, Hijax, what it does is it solves a huge problem we have as affiliate marketers. You see, most of us, what we do is we like to offer bonuses to our potential customers, to our visitors, to entice them to buy through our links. So what we'll do is we'll typically create a bonus page, and we'll pre-sell the product on that bonus page and offer the bonuses, of course. So we'll send traffic to that page, and then, of course, our visitors will click through to the sales page and eventually the buy button to make a purchase. Well, the problem there is that during each step of that process, you lose a lot of your traffic. So you're only going to get a small fraction of your traffic actually continuing on to the next step. So basically what you're doing is you're actually losing a lot of potential sales. Well, what Hijax does is it eliminates all that by allowing you to send your customers or your potential customers, your visitors, directly to the sales page. And it does that by letting you put a call to action video right over the sales page. And what it'll do is it'll pause any other sales video on the sales page so your visitor's attention is only on you solely, where you can talk to them about your review of the product, any bonuses, etc. And once that video is done, it'll disappear, and you can have an optional call to action bar with with optional countdown timer on the sales page for scarcity purposes. So, for example, if you want to say that your bonus is only good for a few days, you can actually have a timer for that or whatever you need to use it for. Okay, so guys, what we're going to do today is we're going to go over the sales page, and then we're going to go dive into the software, into the members area. We're going to talk about the software, how it works, and then we're going to talk about the front-end product and the one-time offers, and then we're going to talk about my special bonus package that you're going to be getting when you pick up your copy of Hijax through the link on this page. Okay, so on the sales page here, you can actually read through it yourself. I'm not going to spend too much time on it, but go ahead and watch Brett's video right here. He shows actual proof of what he's accomplished as an affiliate marketer. And when Brett creates, and Brett's actually a software developer, and when he creates software, he actually creates it for his own business. And then if he sees it's helping him, he'll actually offer it to the public, to the marketplace. So he's actually been using Hijax in his own business for quite some time, and he's just now releasing it to the public. In fact, it's being released on the 22nd of this month of February. Right now it's the 19th, so you got a few days before it actually goes live. So let's go ahead and, again, I'm just going to scroll through the sales page real quick. And I like to see, whenever I'm reviewing a product, I first like to see a sales page that shows results, okay, of some of the results people have gotten from the product, from the software, or whatever it is that I'm reviewing. I also like to see that the person or people behind it, and actually, let me scroll back up here real quick. You can actually watch a demo of the software right here. Brett actually does a full demo, actually a tutorial. We're going to do a quick demo as I continue on this video, but Brett actually does a full demo right here, a full tutorial to show you exactly how everything works. But getting back to this, I like to see that people behind software or behind a product, whatever it is, will stand behind and will guarantee your satisfaction. Now, obviously, nobody can guarantee results. No matter how good a product is, nobody can guarantee results. Results are conditioned upon your own actual efforts, not on someone else's software. So no matter how good the software is, if you're not taking action on it, it's not going to do any good. Okay? So I like to see that a software vendor, product vendor, whatever it is, stands behind their product. Okay, and Brett and Mike always stand behind their products. So with Hijax, you're getting a 14-day money-back guarantee. Get the software, try it out. If you don't like it, within 14 days, just let them know and they'll give you your money back. No questions asked. Okay, so you got nothing to lose. So guys, let's go ahead now. Let's go ahead and talk about. I say let's go into the members area, and we'll talk about how the software actually works. So once you log in, you're going to see this page here, and as you see right now, Brett and Mike are offering a training here. You can actually access it right here. And first thing, of course, watch the tutorials, and you'll learn everything how it works. Brett always does a great job of creating great tutorials to explain all of his softwares. But the way it works is very simple. Click on Pages, and then yours will be blank when you first start out. I've got 3 right here. But all you do is to create a new page, you just click on Create New, name it, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click at the Edit button, and you're going to go inside, and you're going to edit all the features, all the different aspects of the page. So let's actually just go ahead and not worry about creating a new one, but let's go ahead and I can actually explain to you how things work by just clicking into one of these pages I've already created. So here's a product that I'm promoting right now, Cryptomatic 360, and to get the link for a page, you just click on this, and it'll pop up the link right here. To view the page, just click on View. Okay. If you want to get the code for the call to action bar by itself, you click right here to get that. And of course, you can delete the page here. So to edit the page, all you do is click on Edit. And you're going to name the page here. We're just going to get any name you want. This is for your own records, your own purpose. You title the page. That's of course going to show up in the browser. Target URL. That's typically going to be your affiliate link for the product. Your video code. What you're going to do is you're going to create your video or grab a video that you can use off of YouTube, and you're going to put in the little string of the unique video code that's on the end of the URL. And if you can't figure out how to get that code, Brett has a tutorial video under the tutorial section to show you how to do it. You paste that code in here, and that's going to be the video that shows up on the sales page. The box color, that's the color of the video box that's going to appear over the sales page. The bar color is going to be, that's the color of the call to action, or the scarcity bar, or the call to action bar that's going to show up on the sales page once the video is done. Under text, that's going to show up underneath the video. That's totally optional. If you don't want it, you just leave it blank and it will show up. In fact, I can actually put something here. It hurts exclusive bonus. Okay, so you can type that in there, and that's going to show up underneath the video. This is a text that's going to show up on the countdown timer bar, on the call to action bar on the sales page, and I'll show you guys how this all looks. And you can also set a timer, a date for the timer, so like a date here and the time that's going to expire, and then the expired message. So instead of showing a timer that just has a bunch of zeros, it looks pretty unprofessional. You can it'll show like a message after the time is expired. So in this case, I put, sorry you missed it, the bonus has expired. And then here under custom code, you can put in your own custom code, like a tracking code like Google Analytics, or maybe a retargeting code for your ad campaigns, or whatever you want to put in here. Then you just click on Save. And then we want to view the page. We're just going to click on View. And the video is going to show up. I'm actually going to pause the video. Hey guys. Okay. And the sales page is going to show right behind, as you can see. I have my under text right here. And if I want, if I close this out, the call to action bar will show up. Or I can just let the video play. And I just do that. Let's go ahead and let's play it. Let's go and pause or mute it. Let's click play, and let's go ahead and just kind of forward through the video here. And then let a few seconds of that go through. Like that. So within the next 10 seconds, 9 seconds, whatever, the video will close, and then the sales page will show up. And once that does, the call to action bar will show up, okay, and the rest of the sales page will load up, and any video on the sales page, if it was set to autoplay, it will start playing, okay.
Imagine if you could predict what move Bitcoin.
So as you see, the sales video started to autoplay. So guys, that's basically a rundown of how the software works. Now let's go ahead and talk about the one-time offers and the front-end product, of course. Because like every other product in the IM space, you're going to be offered different upsells and upgrades to help enhance your purchase, enhance your usage of the software. So I have a list of these on my review page here, on my review post. Let's go ahead and scroll down to the section on the front-end product and OTOs. Okay. So of course the front end product is going to be the Hijax software, and that's the software we just talked about. It's going to be $27 one-time payment. Okay. Now keep in mind that Brett and Mike, they put out their software at very low prices when they launch them out. However, once the launches are over with, the prices of the software go way up. In fact, Brett never uses false scarcity. So if he says it's going to go up, doesn't mean that it might go up. It means it will go up. Okay, there's a guarantee it's going to go up. $27, you get it for life. Okay. You can also access the first one-time offer, which is Hijax Plus, which is the WordPress plugin. You can actually have your Hijax pages on your own domain, plus you get developer rights to that, and you get advanced live training. Okay. The second OTO is the unlimited agency access, where you can actually, and this is Brett's agency access. He uses for a lot of his products have agency access, and what he does is he allows you to purchase the access as an agent, and you can actually sell the software as your own product and use his sales page with your own JVZoo buy button, which means you can actually sell his product as your own. You can edit things on the sales page too. He often lets you edit the sales videos. You can put your own sales video on the pages, your own buy button, like I said, and make it your own product. That is, and in this case, he's actually offering unlimited agency access. Typically, unlimited agency is a higher upgrade. He typically offers maybe 50 to maybe a 200 agency limit. This time, he's letting you sell unlimited copies of it as your own product. Okay, so that's going to be that there is a huge benefit right there. Imagine having software that people are buying now, they're loving it, and then you take that software that's being created by a highly respected internet marketer, a well-known, a very successful software developer, and use that as your own product. Okay, you could start recruiting affiliates for your product. Okay, and start selling that and making money with it. So doing this, you'll be able to make back what you spent on the software and the upgrade plus more, just doing that. Okay, so guys, so now we'll talk about some bonuses that you'll be getting. I'm actually going to go over it really quick because I have a full list of bonuses. And if you're on my review page, you want to go ahead and scroll down to the section where it says, are there any bonuses? And I've got in this link right here, it'll lead you over to the bonus page. And if we click on that, and by the way, right here, this is the countdown timer that I have for the expiration of the bonuses. Let's go ahead and go real quick and check out the bonus page. And I'm not going to go over each and every bonus. I got a lot of them on here, quite a few bonuses. But these are a selection of bonuses that I'm giving you when you take action. You grab your copy of Hijax through my link. So I have a few things in my case study video here that shows how I earned $113.12 with one review post. Okay, you got a couple of things that I've added here, and of course, please feel free to go to this page and check out all the products in this list. Okay, there's a lot of products here that's going to help you with your affiliate marketing and your internet marketing business. Okay, so again, I'm not going to go through all the products here. Just feel free to go ahead and go through them by clicking the link down on the review page. Okay, so guys, that is my review of Hijax. Personally, any product that Brett and Mike put out, I do my best to grab as soon as I can. When I was given access to check out the software and review it and give my feedback, I was blown away. I mean, every product I get from these guys, I use in my business every day. And Hijax is something I'm using in everything. And it's not just for affiliate marketing. Okay, imagine how much it would benefit you, or how much more interaction you would get on social media if you, for example, you posted a link to an article that your friends or followers would you think would be interested in, and instead of posting the direct article link, you create a page on Hijax and kind of talk about the article a little bit more in the video until before they actually read the article or watch the video, whatever it is. Imagine how much more interaction you're going to get when you're promoting a network marketing opportunity, for example, and instead of sending people just directly to the sign up page, okay, you're sending them you created a Hijax page with that, and talk a little bit more about introduce yourself before they actually go and look at the page of the business, the opportunity. Okay, imagine how much better results you're going to get doing that by adding a personal touch to that process. So, guys, that's Kurt. Thanks so much for watching. Uh, Again, don't forget, pick up your copy of Hijax today. Actually, it's going to be launched on the 22nd of February at 10 a.m. Eastern. Okay, and then it's going to close on the 24th of February at midnight that evening. Okay, so when that happens, the product is going to go way up in price. Okay, and the bonus offer that I have is going to be gone. Now, Brett and Mike are also offering a set of bonuses that I'm going to go and show those real quick if I can pull them up. Okay, here we go. Okay, Brett and Mike are also offering a set of bonuses along. So you're going to get, no matter what affiliate you buy these from, you buy this product through, you're going to get these bonuses as well. They're offering reseller rights to these 4 softwares that Brett has put together. And in fact, LinkMaster is one that I use a lot. I love that software. You're going to love all these here, and you're going to get these free. You can actually, again, resell them or even give them away to build your list. Okay, you're going to get those along with the bonuses I'm giving you when you pick up Hijax today. And if you add up all the bonuses, it's worth thousands and thousands of dollars more than the price of Hijax, which you can pick up for $27 for the front end product. So guys, that's Kurt. Thanks for watching, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Talk to you then.